Hey guys, Chris here with Escape Room Master. We wanted to show you our new patch cable game. Basically, we just put it in a mixer for this one, but now we've got individual light control to tell you where you need to plug your cables in. So it's not the same game every time. It auto resets, random pattern. So as you're starting to put patch cables in, once you get the entire game complete, we can do up to 8 colors, so 16 ports. I'll just run through the game real quick. We got it wired to one of our columns, so once we're solved, that column should raise up. Again, all we're doing is just matching what the lights show to where cables should be plugged in at. Here. Gray one goes here. Got a brown, green, yellow, brown. I'm missing the orange one. So as soon as I plug the orange one in here, that raises. Now you'll see this giving me kind of like a success pattern, if you will. And then after 10 or 15 seconds, it'll flash red to let you know that the pattern's going to change. So for reset, all you have to do is pull your cables back out, hide them wherever you want to, and then reset whatever prop or mag lock that you have attached to it. If we can help you build anything, let us know.